Hi everyone, I've got a Skoda Rapid here, 1.6 diesel, just doing a pollen filter on this. The pollen filter is underneath the glove compartment. The only thing you undo is this screw here. This little screw is a plastic clip-in screw. You'd see here. So you do, and then what you do, pull this towards the right, drop it down, and then there you've got the cabin filter. So you push this forward, and then you pull it towards you, pull it down basically. So it is a bit of a tricky one. Let's try it the other way. Here we go. That's out. Now this cabin filter is quite dirty. So as you can see, all the rubbish is coming off it as well. There's something, and you got to remember how you take it out as well, which way it needs to face and everything else. So you usually would have an arrow sign on the cabin filter, which in this case, this one here hasn't got it, so it don't matter which way it go. Now we've got the new one here. That's the part number there. If you did want one, it's a Bosch part number. Get it out, and that's the cabin filter there. So this is how it should go back on, right? So there's no arrow sign on it. Usually you would have an arrow sign on the cabin filter. It is quite awkward, you know, when you're working on your own. Right, there we go. If you get that in there. So we need to get it right. That's the way it goes. So then you slightly slot it in. Once it slots in, so make sure it's all nice. Then you've got the cover. Put the cover back on. So all you then do is pull this towards you and push that forward. So the front one comes towards you, that one goes forward, and then that's it. It's all secure, and then all you got to do is put this back together. That's all you need to do on the pollen filter side. With regards to the oil service on this, all you need is a 4.3 litres of engine oil. That's if you're changing the filter as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching the channel.